In this tutorial, we will learn how to create this model. Use SolidWorks. Let's now start. New file. Select hair part. I will sketch front plane. Sketch let me. Now go to this line. Vertical line. Next I will use circle. Let me define circle 300 dia. I will use trim entities. Now go to Revolved workspace. Select axis 360 degree. Again I will select front plane. Show revolve sketch. Draw a circle. Select. Again I will use circle. Define 120 dia. Select. Offset circle 15 mm. Again offset 15. Between distance 15 mm. See? Exit sketch. Now I will use split line. Select sketch. Face. Projection. Height. So select this together. Sweep the space. Circular profile. 10 mm. Hit enter. Make sure unmerge result. Similarly, we have to create for this sweep space. Circular profile. Edge. Hide Revolved base. This base model is now ready. So far it looks good. Go to material tab for this default material. We can change base material, something like fill wood. Hold Shift K. Wood. Thank you.